you can expect a lot from the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.